Hello, this is Dr. Roger Elmer, Advanced Neurospinal Solutions. And today I'd like to spend a little time talking about therapeutic design. It's a term I've used before on another one of the videos here, and we're going to get really clear in the future about what do I mean by therapeutic design. Because it's easy to say when somebody asks me, what are you going to do for a migraine headache? And say, put the patient in front of me, because every patient is different. And so I need to find out, where the problem is. With a migraine headache, the symptoms are always coming from the midbrain, the mesencephalon. That's where the hypersensitivities are. That's where the hypersensitivities, sound, smells, taste, to changes in even schedules or whatever. You come to an appointment and you were scheduled at a different time, and it just really slaps you in the face. That initial problem is in the midbrain. There are also other areas of the brain that get affected, the amygdala, and it means that likely the frontal lobe is down. I mean, all those things. But I have to look at where is the problem, what's causing the problem. I don't treat the what, I treat the why. We can always throw stuff at the what, and that's the basic foundation of normal therapies, right? They're gonna try to get it to stop making the symptoms, but unless we treat the why, we're never gonna stop the process, so it doesn't do that anymore. And so in therapeutic design, the concept is that every patient is different, including as I'm working with a patient, they start to change right away. And so every patient is different, but also every patient is different every day. And so I have to keep monitoring where they're going. What are the changes? Do I need to vary my approach? Do I need to vary my approach so that I'm hitting it from other areas that are related to it or only partially related? And that in doing that, I'm making a much more profound effect on the why, so that when the why is taken care of, it's fixed, right? It's done. But there are other things that are included. We're going to get into in therapeutic design. We're going to get into also nutrition. We're going to get into the concept of metabolic rate. How much can the patient take? How much can they do? I see that a lot with kids, with autism and they have underdeveloped cortexes, and because of that, there are activities I want them to do, but they can't do that because they don't have the capacity to do it from a cortical point of view. And so I have to break that down into steps so that they can get foundational circuitry, so that they can do more aggressive type activities until they can do the behavior that the circuitry can make the behavior that we're trying to create. So and in that, we're backtracking. It's kind of like reverse engineering, backtracking on how to create that circuitry and so that it grows up and becomes mature. So that's a basic foundation. We'll be going over a lot more things in the future. If you have any questions, please call the office, 702-798-1112, and ask the doctor, and they'll write it down, and we'll do a video and send you the link to it. We'll put it on YouTube and that. So also, if you have any difficulties, if you've been seeing all kinds of doctors for the last 10 years and don't have a resolution, go ahead and make an appointment, and we'll see if there's any way that we can help you. But let us know when you're ready to take your life back. Thank you.